Hey guys, I want to talk to you about planning, making a plan and executing on that plan. A lot of people come to the online world, the online business world, with a state of crisis in their lives. They've lost their job, or they're just completely worn out from working 60 or 80 hours a week. And it's not a question of wanting to start something, it's the question that they have to start something. I don't want to say desperate, but their actions are forced. It's early in the year in 2018. This is a great time to start putting plans in motion and executing on plans, and taking action is much better. And your outcome will be much better for any action you decide to take, whether it's to start a business online or to do something out in the three-dimensional world. But any action you take will have a better outcome if you make a plan, if you do something with intent, if you are intentional in your actions. So all I really want to say to you in this video is, if you've been telling yourself for the last couple of years that, you need to make a change in your life, you want a better life for yourself, you want more money, you want a more stable environment for you and your family and maybe your children, well, now's a great time to take action. Execute on those plans, but do so methodically. Don't wait until there's a crisis where you lose your job, or maybe you get sick and you can't work, and it would be fine for you to work from home, but you just can't go into work every day, and suddenly you're without income. Anything can happen. Businesses close, employees get laid off, again, people get sick. Any number of things can come into your life that you didn't anticipate, and suddenly you say, if only I had started this 3 months ago, or if only I had done this 6 months ago, I'd be in a better place right now. And you're right, you would be. If you take action now, by the end of 2018, you can be well on your way to having a great supplemental income, or even replacing your current income from the job you currently have. And going to 2019, you could very well be a self-employed internet entrepreneur who's making 6 figures a year or even more. So now's a great time to get started. Just make a plan and follow that plan. Create reasonable expectations for yourself, set reasonable goals, and more than likely you will surpass the goals you set for yourself. And just keep moving those goals forward until one day you look around you and you realize that your entire life has changed, and changed for the better. So don't rush out there and quit your job tomorrow, but with that said, make plans to make your life better, and write it down, and then every day take baby steps to incrementally move yourself closer to the goals you have, and don't wait until you're forced into action because of some crisis or catastrophe in your personal or your business life before you make changes. I say that from experience, and I say that with all respect for the people out there that are hesitant. I know that change is scary, but this is an opportunity that you can move into slowly. It doesn't require that you pack up your belongings and move to another country. It doesn't require that you do anything super scary. It just requires that you make plans, set goals, and then incrementally move yourself towards those goals every day. And in 6 months or a year from now, you'll be amazed at how far you've gone. If you haven't done so already, Please hit the like and subscribe button below and look for my next video.